Viewers competition time. How exciting. Haven't done one of these before. So this is about the best it's going to get. I've loaded all the comments in. 250 comments. There's the video. So all I have to do is press this button and it's going to pick a winner. So good luck to everyone who entered, and thanks for all the support. It's been great. Me and Troy really appreciate it. So good luck. Let's have a look. Drum roll. Brrr. The winner is Gem Q1. What a ripper spot, boys. Absolutely killed it. Don't tell Troy that was a key date, Florin. And can I book him in to play Santa later in the year? Oh, that's as funny as. Anyhow, Gem Q1, congratulations. You've won yourself a little Canon camera. And yeah, we'll get it sent out to you ASAP. So once again, congratulations, Gem Q1. And thanks for everybody who entered the competition. I hope I did that right. That was great. Right.